Be the envy of your friends in this 2007 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.